Good morning, students. Let's start with the next topic, that is strength of acidic and basic solutions. As we have already done that the acidic and basic natures is dependent upon the two factors. One is the hydronium ion and second is the hydroxide ions. Here we have to check the ionization of that one. Whenever a solution, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral, the ionization in different solution, the different result is coming. For the hydronium ion, it is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per liter. For the hydroxide ion, again 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per liter is there. But in solution, in a single solution, both the hydronium and OH negative ions are there. It means that total value of the concentration of ion is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 14 mole square per liter square at the room temperature, which is your 25 °C. This all are coming under the term that is ionic product of water, denoted by Kw. K is the constant and W is the water here. Now next we are proceeding to the hydronium ion concentration, give its effect on the solution acidity, basicity, or in the general sense we are saying the nature of the solution. More the number of the hydronium ions or less the number of the hydronium ions leads to the different nature of the solution. It means by this one, the pH of the solution will increase or decrease. Now the question arises, what do you know by the pH? pH is a concept where P stands for your power and H stands for hydrogen. It means the power of hydrogen. P will be the smaller one and H will be in the capital. pH is general scale in which we have to show the acidity and basicity of a compound. Here the different things are there. pH, repeating again, pH is a scale. pH scale is a scale in which we have to check whether a substance is acidic or your basic is there. While checking the pH scale, different values you are checking here. It starts from 0 and at 14 is there. In between the 7 is there. At 7 the neutral value. Before 7 it will be the acidic nature. After 7 it will be the alkaline nature. It means it is a margin points. Before 7 acidic nature. After 7 alkaline nature. As we move from the 7 to 1, the acidity will increase. And when we are moving from 7 to 14, then the basicity will increase. These are two concepts. Means while increasing the value in a pH scale, the alkaline nature will increase, and with the decreasing your value, the acidic nature is being increased. At the different level, the different colors are showing by the pH paper. You can check it in the scale, the red, pink, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet is there. Different scales are showing different scales with the different colors, by which we can identify whether a solution or a substance is acidic or basic. By this clarification, it is clear, I think, it is a single paper or single solution which can check whether a solution is acidic or basic, named as universal indicator. Universal indicator is name given to the pH, which shows the strength of the particular solution. That particular solution gives us the different pH, and this pH will tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Now, with that, one formula is there. For the pH of the solution, we are doing that. pH is the pH of a solution is the negative logarithm. Negative logarithm. What the meaning of the negative logarithm means? We are giving this minus sign to the log. Negative logarithm to the base 10. Base 10 means minus log 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Concentration means molar concentration of H positive ions. As we have already done that your pH is dependent upon the hydronium ion. It means that the pH of the solution depend upon minus log 10 molar concentration of hydrogen ion. That is a very important definition. You have to learn it properly. After that, we are doing that how this pH will gives its importance in a everyday life. In our everyday life, in our daily life, we are considering with our body. In our body, the pH should maintain in between 7 to 7.8. If your pH is in between the 7 to 7.8, then only you will be feeling normal. You can do the normal activities properly. For the plants and animals, they have to also survive, but they range in a narrow range of this one. In agriculture, that's a crop production, every crop having a different pH. And we have to maintain in the soil the different pH. If we want to grow the rice, then it will grow in the slightly acidic soil. Means we have to maintain the acidic soil there. For sugarcane, the soil should be the neutral. For citrus fruits, it should be a alkaline in nature. It means the different types of the pH we have to maintain in the soil so that the different crops can be yield properly. Now coming to the field of medicines. When we are considering the field of medicine, the generally one your term comes in a mind that are diseases. Today we are facing with the different types of the diseases, and normally we are going to the doctor. He or she prescribes us the different tests. For the test, either we are giving the blood or urine. Reminded, in the urine and blood also we have to check the pH. If the pH of the blood and urine match with the specific value of a different or particular test, then you will be normal. Means by identifying the blood test or urine test, and they are testing by checking the pH, we can diagnose different types of diseases, or we can diagnose whether we are normal or facing some problem. In digestive system, all of you know that the hydrochloric acid is present in the stomach. But sometimes we feel acidity. We feel that something normal is not there. It means the acid value in our body increases. And we feel the pain and irritation. To get rid of that one, we take some antacids named as milk of magnesia. What is the function of this milk of magnesia? It reacts with the acid present in the stomach and forms salt. Salt means neutral. It means by this one we will feel normal. In case of the tooth decay, we are discussing next concept, that is the tooth decay. Normally the cavities are there, that your tooth decay is being started due to some chocolates or sweets or some bacteria like this one. What is the basic pH to maintain that? If the pH of your tooth will be up to 5.5, then no decay will be there. And if it will be increasing, that's okay. But if it will be decreasing the 5.5, then the tooth decay starts. Tooth enamel. is composed of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate, which is the hardest substance in our body, it get corroded due to the tooth decay. And saliva, all of you know the saliva is present in our mouth due to the salivary glands. It is alkaline in nature, means it is maintaining the pH of your mouth. And the toothpaste, all of you, in the morning, the first we are doing the brushing our teeth. Toothpaste, which is basic in nature, it is used to neutralize excess acid in the mouth, and you are feeling fresh after that. Next point, the bee sting. Sometimes the bee sting is going on, and by it leaves the acid in the body. And if we are rubbing with the any basic compound like your baking soda or any other basic compound, it will give you a relief from that one, because acid plus base give rise to salt and water is there, and by this you will be getting relief. This your concept is now finished about the pH. After that we are proceeding to the in-text question. Kindly check that in-text questions properly and try to solve it. If any doubt is coming in any of the question, kindly discuss with me. Thank you and have a nice day.